So you guys, before I even start on this wig, I did pluck it and everything. It's just been sitting on my mannequin head air drying. This is what the hair looks like once it has completely air dried. I just wanted to show you guys before I even put it on, like, but yeah, this is how beautiful the curls are all the way around. But yeah, as you guys can see, the curls on this hair are absolutely beautiful. Like, I absolutely love how it came out. Here is a close-up look of the hairline. It's what the hairline is looking on this side. Zoom it out. Yeah, the wig is absolutely gorgeous. I plucked it, I bleached the knots. I know somebody's gonna ask, but I just had to show y'all how beautiful this wig was before I put it on.
I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side, yo. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yo. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 through the 281, yeah, I'm riding. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key. I'm sipping low key and honest, riding right up. When I'm pulling up right beside you, pop star love Mariah. When I text get game mileage, throw a stack on the Bible, never Snapchat or took college. She fall through plenty, her and all her guineas. Yeah, we at the top though, right there off Duini. Yeah, oh no, I can't fuck with y'all. Yeah, when I'm with my squad, I cannot do no wrong. Yeah, saucepan in the city, don't get misinformed. Yeah, they gon' pull up on you. Yeah, we gon' do some things you can't relate. Yeah, cause we from a place you cannot stay. Or you can't go, or I don't know. Or back the fuck up off me. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes, I made all records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Have to slop the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I said the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I got her open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue.
Someone said,
shorty face, Tommy out the blue.
Someone said, someone said, someone said.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night him. I never listened, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then I tell you the
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look. I kept my hair very simple today, no baby hairs or anything. I just want my hair to look very natural, as if it was like my natural hair. Didn't want to do like nothing too crazy. And this curl pattern, you guys, is just so beautiful. Like I really want you guys to like get a closer look at this hair. Like I don't think you guys understand. You guys can see my hairline, how natural it looks. I did something a little bit different today that I think is gonna make a difference in my installs. I'm gonna keep doing it and see if it really does make a difference. Honestly, I'm not really sure how I want to style it. I just kind of want it to be wild, and I like the fact that I can literally flip it any kind of way and it'll go however I want it to go. If I wanted to go down the middle, I can make it go down the middle. If I want to flip it over, I can flip it. Because you know, sometimes when you have curly hair, after you wet it, it kind of trains it to be in whatever part that you kind of flip it over to. So if I was to flip my hair over on this side and I let it dry that way, then the hair will automatically just be trained to go on this side. And when I flipped it over on this side, then it would have like a weird lump. You know what I mean? Maybe you don't. But yeah, so this is the hair, you guys. Absolutely beautiful hair. Very, very thick, full unit. As you guys can see, like this hair is full, honey. Full. So I love that about the hair. Very full, beautiful curly hair, and I love the versatility of it. I like how natural it looks. The lace on this unit also melted very well. As you guys can see, like even when I turn my head, you know, sometimes you can see like that shiny stuff, and I hate that about my install. So that's one of the things that I worked on today. So when I turn my head now, it doesn't, well, I can't tell until I finish editing it, but it shouldn't be as shiny over here. And I like that. The lace just melted really nice. And like I said, I didn't do any baby hairs, but I did make sure that I wrapped it just so that it looks nice. You know, I wrapped it with the styling strips, and my lace and everything is good to go. Here is another close-up look at the hairline and my lace right here. Like, as you guys can see, like, look how natural. Zoom y'all in a little more. You see what I'm saying? Like, it just looks so natural. The curls are so beautiful in this hair. So I do want to give a big shout out to Eayon Hair for sending over this unit. It is absolutely amazing. I've worked with Eayon Hair for so long now. They're definitely one of those companies that I've been working with since I first started doing hair videos here on my channel. I absolutely love their hair, and I promise you guys, they always have really good hair. You guys know that curly unit that I did, like, is super popular on my channel right now. It's like one of my most recent curly videos that like did crazy numbers. It's called my new favorite curly hair, and it melts like butter. I got so many followers from that video, so many likes from that video. The video has 45,000 views right now. But yeah, you guys, that's what I'm talking about. Eayon just has really freaking good curly hair. That wig was amazing. A lot of you guys went crazy over it. A lot of you guys, as soon as I uploaded the video, I was getting emails, I was getting DMs about selling the unit. People wanted the unit as soon as I reviewed it. Can you sell it to me now? Do I have to wait for? I'm like, bro, I want my wig. Like, I want it. So yeah, but this is another curly unit from them. This is their 14-inch curly unit. There is some shedding that I did show you guys with this unit, but it was very minimal, kind of typical for curly hair. And I do want to throw that out there just for anybody who's new to hair. Curly hair is the hair that sheds the most. Out of all of the hair that you may get, straight hair, body wave, maybe even water wave, the hair that will shed the most will be your super tight curly hair. So just want to throw that out there. Nothing to be worried about, nothing to be like, oh my god, this hair is trash because it sheds. No, curly hair sheds. Trust me. Yeah, but this is their 14-inch unit, you guys. It is technically a bob, but I didn't cut it into a bob. You could do like a middle part and do the baby hairs and all that type of stuff, but because of how beautiful the curl pattern was, I just wanted to more so focus on the actual hair in this video, and just show you guys like how amazing it is. You see how I could just flip it over just like that? It's just bomb. And I love how like the curls are all separated but still look amazing. Like, it just looks very natural. If you guys are interested in this unit and you would like to purchase it yourself, go ahead and check out the description box down below for a direct link to this unit. I may also have some coupon codes down below, so don't forget to check that out. And if you want to know further details about this unit, the density, the curl pattern, what lace it is, definitely check out the description box for further details. I want to give a big thanks to Eayon here once again for working with me, and shout out to all of you guys for watching today's video and showing me so much love and support, and I'll see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.